What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Matty V, this is Matty Cars. This week we got a special video for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Do something a little bit different. We have a special guest who'll be joining us in this video. My college roommate and good buddy and fellow automobile enthusiast, Ryan Wilson, will be sharing with us one of his very unique, quirky, special, fun vehicles, which is 1995 Honda Acty van. And I got to go up last week and see the van. It's called the Raccoon, as you'll see in the video. Overall, just thoroughly enjoyed the time there, hanging out with my buddy, checking in with him, syncing up, doing a little skating in the basement, and then checking out some of his cars, including the Raccoon. So let's get into it, let's go. Tell us a little about this car.
It's a 1995 Honda Acty street van, also known as the Raccoon.
The Raccoon.
Yes. It's a 660cc engine. We're pumping out 38 horsepower. That's right. 38. Not 138, 38. And it's 3-cylinder, 3-banger.
3-banger, manual transmission. How much does it weigh, roughly?
Maybe 3,500 pounds,
Okay.
3,000, 3,500, something like that. It's about 4.5 feet wide.
Okay.
I think it's 11 feet long.
4.5 by 11.
Because we measured if it would fit in the garage. Yeah.
It does fit in a 2-car garage with two other
cars. Yeah.
We got to do a 0 to 60 pull. So we got the race box. Has this thing ever been going 60 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
On the freeway, but I've never tried to get it up to 60.
Okay, hang on.
Yep.
Go. There's 20.
I've got it back.
30.
Fourth gear, boys.
Yeah, boy.
On the downhill. Come on.
And it's 50.
That's all she's got.
All right, give me everything you got.
I'm in full mask. I got no more gear. Oh, we can't take a turn. Shit, this is scary.
We hit 55.
We're gonna get her up here. Come on.
Oh my
Let's
goodness.
go.
Come on, let's
Come
go.
on.
55. 56. 57. We're not gonna make it, dude.
How would that attitude?
58.
I can't make it. I gotta slow down for the
I
turn.
don't have enough straightaway. I've never not gotten to 60.
The engine's imploded.
We almost got her.
What do we do?
almost got her, huh?
Let's see. Interesting, because the manual is on the left. This is like driving in Ireland. Oh, dude, it's in Japanese. Oh, that's sick. Okay,
It's
so.
aftermarket
Oh, is it? So reverse is.
on the far right, or lower right.
So that's first.
Yeah.
Okay. And we got tilt, telescoping. Nope.
No, I don't think
The wheel is kind of fixed. We got some hazards.
Your blinkers are on the right side.
Okay. The parking brake is on. Yeah.
Okay.
Yo.
Fun, dude. It's fun.
Dude, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, I want one.
They're pretty sick.
Where did you find this one?
So I got this one. I've been searching after our trip to Morocco.
Uh-huh.
We saw them everywhere. I started looking for them when I got back, and I was just searching. So there are a ton of sites where you can import these and buy them, and they're like $4 to $5 grand depending on the condition they're in. But then you're gonna pay $2,500 to get it to a port. Then you're gonna pay another $1,000 to get it here. So I just searched and I found someone that had already imported this to Seattle. Okay. It's a company that kind of specializes in these JDM imports, and they already had all the paperwork ready. And so, in California would not have registered this.
Okay.
They're like sticklers about stuff like that. But we live in Morgan County, and all I did was take the paperwork down, and they were like, okay, here you go, here's your title. It was like super easy.
Well, that was easy.
So now that this has been titled in Utah, It could be registered in California or anywhere else.
Oh.
So now that we've got a U.S. title, this U.S. state title, but this actually is a lot more valuable now.
That is
because people in California that want them could buy this and title it no problem. It's crazy. But I paid $8,000 for this. I think it's probably worth about 11 or 12. Just
So
for
did you
the
go
US
get
title.
this, or you shipped?
I had it shipped.
Okay.
Yeah.
$8,000, 800 shipping.
Yeah, this would have been not a fun road trip.
So it's JDM or Honda? Is that some part of Honda?
JDM stands for like Japanese domestic market.
Oh.
So like
Okay.
a GTR or whatever, Nissan GTR that's a right-hand drive, that's also considered a JDM.
Got it. Okay.
It just means it's made for the Japanese market.
Does Honda still make these? Brand new?
They do, yeah. But you can't. It has to be 25 years, or you can't import them.
Okay.
Same with like Defenders. I wish that rule was not there. I've gotten her to 62, but that's slightly downhill on the freeway.
Without another person down.
Correct. Just
Have taken gas.
Yep.
It actually rides pretty smooth. Like, I don't know, surprising.
It's like it's gonna tip at any moment.
Well,
but
it does feel top heavy.
very top heavy.
The steering wheel is interesting because it feels like it's big. Like, I feel like for the size of the vehicle, I feel like my hands are so far apart. I don't know if that makes
Like
sense.
driving a bus.
Yeah, and it's slightly.
And these are primarily used as delivery vans
Okay.
and storage.
So all-time all-wheel drive. There's no low range, or is there?
No.
What kind of range you get in this thing?
It's only like 7-gallon tank.
Okay.
It's a pretty small tank. It gets about 30 miles to the gallon, which you'd think it'd get more, but I think because to get up to speed, you kind of have to hammer down and
Yeah.
you hit those high RPMs just to get it going where it needs to go.
Yeah.
It doesn't get quite as good a gas mileage as you think, but still like 30, so it's pretty fun.
So this one has 2 rows, but I think I've seen them with 3 rows.
Oh yeah, they might. Yeah,
But these,
I don't think the Honda version does, but maybe
Okay.
the Subaru Samba or whatever. Well, and the Delicas do, but the Delicas
Yeah.
are longer. Those are bigger.
that's what I was looking at.
Yeah, the
Bigger
Delicas.
trailer.
Yeah, those are more frequently on Cars and Bids and Bring Your Trailers.
Yeah.
You rarely, you'll see these trucks every once in a while,
Okay.
but the vans, no, those Delicas are bigger. They're longer.
Yeah, this is fun.
It's super fun. It's one of the funnest cars I've purchased
Yeah.
for just different reasons, but just because it's super silly. Anyone that sees you driving in it, they have like this surprised look on their face, and then it always turns into a smile. And it doesn't even matter if they're laughing at us or with it doesn't matter. It's just funny.
More smiles in the world.
Yeah,
More laughter.
that's Sancho. Don't hit Sancho.
What a
Isn't that funny?
car, dude.
Oh, he does have snacks in here.
Treat.
What the?
Got a Twizzler.
Some little Twizzlers bites.
Let's go.
Oh, those have been in there a while.